useless thing this kindred has ever produced.
Yes. Yes.
Your father, Okuroshid, was standing there. He was in the line to be king.
Yes.
Immediately you came into this earth. Your father, your mother, your siblings all died mysteriously.
To fear. Aro. Zanza. We do not know from which world you came. Because we only have two. The 7 kingdoms above and the 7 beneath. But you do not represent any. Because your atrocious acts does not even suggest you even came from Obampume, the land where Efulefus originate. Chai!
Zanza, we are sick and tired of you. If not for tradition that forbids a kinsman from spilling the blood of another, you would have ceased to exist a long time ago.
Yes. I wish it was the time of slave trade. I would have sold you long ago.
My elders, keep
quiet.
I have not done anything. I'm innocent.
Shut your mouth. I said shut your mouth. No one is capable of eating those items used for sacrifice except you. That's it. No one.
No one
you
at all.
You went and sold those items, made the money thereby, hanging our faith in the balance. See, must be restless in the world beyond. Listen to me. Listen to me. I know what to do. I know what to do because I know Agobo, the angry God, will visit you, will fly you.
Why are we even wasting time with this thing? Why do we allow this thing to punish us? Why? Eh?
You people are making a mistake. I am innocent.
Woman, what do you want from Adeke?
Adeke, the most powerful. I have a table where I sell Adeke, and I'm doing well there. But 2 months ago, one woman came from another land and set up her table beside mine and took all my customers. I only sit, they watch her sell. Then my friends told me she must have used charm to turn the eyes of my customers away from me.
Tell me, what do you want Adeke to do for you now?
Adeke, I need a charm that will make me to bring all my, not even one, all my customers back to me.
I am Adeke, the most powerful woman. With me, there is nothing like impossibility. Those who fail to recognize my potency wallow in their mystery forever. But those who recognize what I represent, I demolish all the obstructions before them. Follow me.
Adeke na Neke, anya wotutu. Hey!
Now, I'm not here. Come! Let's go. Come here. Come back here. I've made this offer to you. And I'm making it again. Go to Opata and live with my peace instead of this incessant relation. Go there so that I'll be sending leftover food to you.
So you now see me as a big chick. Huh?
Are you rejecting me? Don't tell me you prefer this humiliation to being called an armed robber, a kidnapper, a loafer, and all kinds of despicable names. Is it better than going to live with my pigs that is more dignified? If you go to live with my pigs, at least I'm protecting you. I'm telling them to live with my pigs. Why you be giving me situation because? Is that not fair? Isn't it better for me? Do you prefer this humiliation? Oh, are you rejecting it? Oh, now I see that your problem is more than this. I know.
My beautiful daughter. You are welcome.
Thank you, Father.
See, I am always proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Hey, Papa. Someone told me something on my way back. Though she said it's a secret. But you're my father, I have to let you know about it so that you can clarify me.
Secret. Secret. What is it?
Papa. Do you remember that my friend, Princess Chinelo?
Yeah.
Igwe Amaze's daughter.
Chinelo. Yes, I remember her.
She told me that you are likely to become our next Igwe.
So the news is everywhere. Anyway, my daughter, see, I know they are the only people that can say that because he is the first person that told me that I should warm up. We have been friends for a very long time. In fact, to be frank with you, see, I stand a chance of becoming the Igwe because of the knowledge of our culture and tradition and the little contribution I make to the upkeep of our community.
Papa, there is nothing, absolutely nothing that will stop you from becoming the Igwe of this community. See, Papa, me, I'm already a princess. That my friend Princess Chinelo, she even gave me some of her dresses. And very soon, I will start wearing them and I will be walking like a princess that I am. I'm walking like a princess.
Take it easy.
Papa, you're a king. You are the king already.
Take it easy, wait. So that we do not put the cart before the horse.
Papa, you are already the king. And it shall be like that. You're already the king. Igwe!
Yes, my princess.
Already the king.
The princess of the kingdom. You are your father's princess.
What kind of life is this? I'm being accused of every crime in this community simply because I have nobody to speak for me. Why? No one wants to hear my own side. If a fowl disappears, it is Zanza Moshit. If a goat gets lost, it is Zanza Moshit. Even the sacrifice I never knew when they performed, I was humiliated and accused of making away with it. Why? They debase my opinion at will just because I have no one to fight for me. The worst is the accusation that my birth swept my family away and that I am from an unknown world. What kind of life is this?
I brought you food.
what will happen to you if they find you around me?
I know you're a good man. Yes, I do. I know the friends you are in this community. Yes, I do. Look, I also know who steals all the money you make from your hard labor and toiling. Don't worry. Eat your food. After eating, tell me everything before I go.
You're the only person who believes in this community. Tell me this. Who's doing this?
I will tell you.
Tell me now.
The food is more important. Come and eat. Eat. I know you've not eaten. Eat. Tell me everything. Just eat.
Oh, Chica! Chica! I will kill you today! So it is true, eh? It is true! You don't know what you have done. You don't know what you have done! You want me to tell you, eh? Okay, I'll tell you. You are teaching my daughter how to become a rogue. I'll become an animal like you. You send her to my house to steal food and bread for you. It will not work for you. I repeat, it will not work for you. I will never work for you. Start here. You killed her because I will skin her alive today. I will be with her. I will show her why I am called you. Why am I? Look, I know you are a fucking man. Look at it. If you want to eat it. A rogue like you. Eat it here.
On a fuchuanya, already for Muanamangwaya. Emenenu, Aboya, Emenana, Sinoboya, Bobo Nagonebe, Chimu, Gini Camere, Alena Fofo, Oyendo Yamalokoma, Onyu Wana Choso, Oyendo Yamalokoma.
Jamike, come here. Papa! My name is not Jamike. Eh? I have warned you. You can call me Django. I have had a male child. Jamike. Nonsense. Where are you coming from? I ask you.
Papa, what matters is I'm back. Are you not seeing me? Eh? What is it? Why are you disturbing my life?
Django. Jamike, I have been covering your ill activities in this community. I've been covering it. The day you are going to expose yourself, because definitely I know you cannot expose me. This is Nzekwe. You cannot expose me. I am going to disown you and cling to my beautiful daughter and make her my only child. Yes. You're laughing at yourself.
Papa! As if I care. Babylon. Bumbo cloud. Party word.
So, Jamike, I am now Bumbo Clark, eh? Hey! See me, see trouble. This boy, you jump from one house to another, from one bush to another, from one uncompleted building to another uncompleted building. One day you will impregnate one girl and they will bring her here for me to begin to marry a second wife. Because I know you don't have money to feed anybody. Jamike! Hey! Bumbo Clark. Bumbo Clark. Hey! May God forgive you. God forgive you!
I will kill you! I will kill you! I will deal with you! You want to disgrace me in this town? You want to disgrace me in this village? I will kill you. Do you know what she is? I am asking you. You are begging for her. Do you know what she is? Did she tell you what she is? And you are begging for her. You are begging. Now let me tell you. This girl you are seeing here is fraternizing with that Eberima. That Lufa. That thief called Zanza. All your shaman over there. She's fraternizing with you. A girl I have been spending fortunes to make sure she becomes reasonable to herself and to the family. Now look at the way she's disgracing me. I will kill you. You are running. You are running. Okay. After running, you will come back. I will wait for you here. I will wait for you here since you want to disgrace me. I will show you. I will deal with you. Look at you. You want to fraternize with that Eberima? No, not in my house. Not in my house. You must follow my footsteps, not another person's footsteps. I will deal with you. You will see.
Jamike, Papa is right. You cannot be living this kind of life and expecting to be happy. Mama that normally takes care of him went for Mobo. And I am in school. Our other sisters are married. You are our only brother and only son. And Papa is a prominent elder and soon to become...
EJ, take it easy.
I understand. Jamike, Bikoziano, understand. Hey, Bikono. Okay, now you have refused to go to school. Even marry, you refuse. Even to go to township, you refuse. What do you?
Which kind? Huh? Why you won't bust my head? They mad. See, make I tell you the truth, eh? My only route is to Zion. The only thing where my body need now, Baba, na sensamela. Please, we could not call me for this kind of rubbish meeting again. I know be small again. Babylon people.
Have you seen it? Have you? The only song. A single song.
Well, please calm down, please. Hey, you have me here. Please calm down. I will try and talk to him. I promise.
Hey!
And I believe he will change. Papa, please. Calm down.
May the gods forbid.
Hey.
What pact do I have with my Chi What pact? I know that I was born of a woman, out of a man's loins. Why this frustration? Why? Eh?
For coming to my rescue yesterday. Eh? My father would have killed me. I'm sure I would have been dead by now. Eh? Thank you.
If you ran in to tell me and I came immediately, I left everything I was doing to come see you.
Name, you remember that saying that a friend in need is what?
A friend indeed.
You are a friend indeed, Name. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it.
But Chica, you know I'm your friend and I won't deceive you. Really need to stop saying the Zanza boy.
Enyem,
why? What do you mean? He's been avoided like a plague. And you cannot deny that you don't know that he's responsible for all the atrocities that has been going on in this community.
Enyem, I am very surprised at you. So you mean you're one of those people that go about jumping into conclusion in this community without proper investigations?
What are you talking about?
Enyem, I am going to tell you something that would shock you right now. Yes, and that was the same thing I was about to tell Zanza before my father invaded us yesterday.
What? What is it?
After consulting and begging, things remain the same. I'll leave this land and never return.
Yes, why?
I have come to consult you.
Zanza, no cheating.
It is me. I came with this farm.
No! This is my farm. This is my farm. I got you red-handed. It is my farm.
Eh? I see. This is my farm. I bought it today. I bought it for 2,500 naira. I had to clear back just on those farmland. He paid me 2,000. I bought this farm for 2,500. I'm still owing the seller 500 naira.
You are a liar. I said you are a liar. I am going to assemble all the elders of this land, even the women. If they come here, they will bear me witness that this farm belongs to me. I've been looking for this farm this morning, and I know that I was only going to find it with you.
Can I say something?
You can't say anything. Remember, you are a stranger in this land. If you say anything, I am going to make sure we throw you out of this land. Come on. What they worry you now? Eh? What they worry you? Okay. Now this thing won't give me for 1K. Eh? See amo. I dey see am, they tell you what I say. Now you go tell me saying I know see am saying I escape. See amo.
That for men SK. No, they tell me that in where they talk. Huh? SK where they buy from Bongos and Samela, they hear they go. Why do you be this now? Yeah. I had them something. No,
I know they sell our photo. Couple our photo. I know they sell our photo. This now original SK for men SK. Eh? I even thought that you will buy up almost like 3K market. You will call me for phone saying that 2K market you get.
Guy, I don't understand.
That's matter now. I think say you go collect. Mama, bring money collect market now.
I don't understand. You don't understand. My papa far where I still. Eh? How they tell me it no go well at all. How they tell you no go well. Eh? And they buy a second day. You know say this thing na one market. We know they waste time.
Wait.
They buy a no grease and only 1,000. You go.
One pa for one full chicken. You really waste that fowl.
Adam something.
Waste that. You for carry the fowl now, go where cut now. You go know the real price there.
See best why they talk like, why they yarn like this now? Eh? Why would they tell me make I carry the fowl get cut? When everybody where they got to know where I be, they will go tell my father.
Pure. You reason where? Nah, you dey sure. Hold your market. Like I see everything I do for you. You don't say to my man. You don't say to my man.
Like I help you with this one. Give me this one.
Take this one. I say you my man, oh. You say my man. This na pure market for Moye Mekete. I hope say they see the doctor's prescription. Eat before you smoke, oh. See the doctor's prescription there, oh. Django. Bad son of a good father. Even if like father like son, the man self no pure.
That man is innocent. Oh, helpless man. I saw Django. Yes, he was sneaking into the market with that same fowl belonging to his father.
Are you sure?
Yes. How it got into Zanza's hands is what I can't explain. Who would believe me now? Who would believe me if I say it was Django who actually stole that fowl? I need to help him. Let's go. He's innocent.
Listen carefully. It was confirmed before the elders and the women that the fowl actually belonged to Nzekwe. That was why he was disgraced by walking around the village with the fowl tied to his neck.
Though disgrace no longer mean anything. We were sent to come and warn you to disassociate yourself from him. If you do not do that, we will send you back to your village again. And make sure you don't come back here again.
Exactly.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
I am hated, dreaded, yet loved by few. I shall never leave this community. until I find out why my mother said that I belong here. We'll never
Who's there? Who's there? Whoever you are, if you don't show your face right now, if I get up from here, I'll cut off your head. Who's there?
Zanza, it's Chica.
Aye. Easy,
sorry,
easy.
I know, sorry.
Easy.
Sorry, let me help you.
Easy. Wait.
Let me help you.
Wait.
Sorry. I was here earlier. I was the one who brought the food and I covered it with the basket. I came with water to attend to your injuries.
In the midst of all my enemies, you're the only true friend I have. Thank you.
Zanza, it was Django. It was Django who stole that fowl.
Huh?
Yes. It was the one who stole the fowl and sold it to a fowl seller at a K. It was also Django who stole the money and the items for sacrifice. You know the day you reported your money missing, I saw Django with my 2 naked eyes sneaking out of here. The most annoying part of this is his father is aware of everything, but he's covering him up because of his status. Well, I brought water and ointment to attend to your wound.
One man. Who will I run to? Huh? Who will believe me? They treat me like a criminal because I have nobody to run to. Everything that happens in this community, they'll say I'm the one. I'm responsible for all of them. Who do I go to? All because I have nobody. I don't have anyone.
Zanza, you have me now.
Easy.
Sorry. I would be here for you. Let me be that one friend you don't have. I will stand by you because I like you. I will be everything for you. Let me attend to your injuries.
Sorry. Oh, easy now.
Sorry.
Easy. Don't touch that side again. It's too painful. Start with the hand. Yeah. Around the elbow. Aye.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
These people really dealt with you.
Easy now.
Oh, sorry. I'll take it easy. Oh, sorry.
On Sunday, the Panwantaba saw you with the fowl. Again. On Sunday, the Panwantaba saw you with the fowl. Jamike, what a shame. What a shame. I have to put it on Zanza just to save you. Yes!
Yes! Guy man. You know what's up. Yeah? Make I just tell you, you know say anything you they do for me, you they do for yourself. Yeah? A high chief. You know your position in the community. If you blow me open by your nyash, you they show the community. Joy!
When will you stop all this?
Now maybe they talk to like this. You like this? Don't attempt to run. If you run, I will use it and break your neck. I'll break your neck. Look, you see this? I saw you sneaking out from there. You see this your neck? This your neck. I will cut it off this night so that you know why I am called Ibe. I will cut it off. Come here. Come here.
What are you doing here?
Why are you asking me this kind of question? Why they ask? Eh? Babaya, cool down. Make we reason together. Eh? For once. See, make I tell you. I hear everything where you discuss with the chief priest. But you no go walk. You no go walk. If you no settle me wella. You see that Tomona meeting money where you hide inside your room, eh? I don't collect it.
Hey!
See, make I tell you. You know how far now? You better carry and put on top Zanza, as usual, and call the police. Call the police, go carry the boy. Eh? But if you don't want to do it, now your own matter, you no concern me. Yeah? You see that crooked way you and Ezemo, eh? That bad movement way on they make. Eh? If you won't make it work out for you, you meet me later. Eh? I go tell you something. Papa, guy man.
How's your mother?
What kind of child is this?
We pronounce who becomes our next Igwe tomorrow after hearing from God. Men, women, boys and girls are to assemble before noon at the shrine. Ezemo will pronounce who becomes our next Igwe tomorrow after hearing from the gods. Men, women, boys and girls are to assemble before noon at the shrine.
I also know that everyone is heading to the shrine to hear the chief priest's pronouncement. Do not be afraid, for I have come to help you.
I don't need your help anymore. For all those people, they can head to wherever they like, that's their business. For me, I'm leaving this land right now, never to return.
Zanza, if you must go, take this egg. Keep it on top of your head. Mention success 3 times. It will change every disfavor to your favor and lead you to your destiny. Take it. Take it, Zanza.
So, that will be in another land. Definitely not this one, because I'm leaving this one now.
Wherever you wish.
Success. 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 That's all I ask for.
You stole community money? Huh? And planning to run away? We caught you now.
Who? Me? What is all this now? Are you not tired of disturbing me like this? Are you not tired of being used against me? You used to torture me. You will community money from where? Look at my bag. Do you see any community money? Leave me. I'll buy somebody. Just leave me alone.
Will you shut up and remain silent?
But I didn't do anything now.
Quiet! Coffee!
See, what you people are doing is not fair. What are they causing me? What did I do now? What did I do? Why do you do this thing to me? Are you not tired of torturing me like this?
Give me that bag. Give me that bag. Put that egg here. Put it here. Move it. I said move. Move.
Chimungini kamere alele na fofo onyendo ya malokoma onyu wana choso onyendo ya malokoma.
I don't quite understand this. It's unbelievable. Initially the chief priest called you out. The whole crowd went into wild jubilation. Then suddenly, like a man struck by a charm, he pronounced him. It's quite unbelievable. I am speechless, to say the least. It's quite unbelievable. No. How can that be? Even my ambition of becoming the Onoru when you become the Igwe just eroded me. No. I don't quite believe it. How can that be? Zanza of all people. No.
Leave me alone. Let me think.
Just imagine. My dream of becoming Onu just disappear like that.
What a world. The same Zanza that was mocked and called all sort of names in this village will now become our king.
Name, I'm so excited. I have always known that there's something special about my Zanza. And I, Chica, would be the wife of a king, because that's how we get married to me.
And I will become the friend to the Lolo.
Not just a friend, but the faithful friend to the Lolo.
My dear, let's go. Before others go and break the news to him.
Wait for this story where they tell me. See, I tell you, I know that Agbero where they call Django. I sabi am wait. Now one very idiot boy. You hear me? Now one very nonsense idiot boy. But no worry, my men then they come. My G then they come. They will come bail me come off for years and they bail me. Now so you said they come out with me. Don't worry. Don't just ask me as I'll take do am. Just leave that one for me. Don't just ask me. No, just worry yourself. Don't just worry yourself. You hear me? But waiting I want to be saying, make you just know see front today, and me could be your defender. You hear me? Me could be your defender. No worry, me could be your defender. You see all those people they do around you, We'll see what will happen today. Don't worry, don't just worry. Don't worry, now me bonga, and they talk. Because me, as I did like this, as I just do.
I used to have a very soft heart towards them. Anything they do to me, I'll just forgive them and take it. But you see this one, you see this recent one, that's changed me, honestly. My heart has moved from here to here. My heart is now as solid as a rock. Why am I suffering like this? Why? See, if I get the opportunity to deal with those people, I will show them. Why? They know the criminal. They know the person who is doing this thing, but they keep hanging everything on me. Why? Why? No, why?
See, ma tell you, make you know they cry. From tomorrow, you see these people, these ancient people, then when they misbehave with you, now then they cry. Now then go they cry because you see this kind of your case. Now me they like to purchase. They purchase this kind of case. Now I like they purchase trouble. They purchase this kind of case. You hear me? Me I know say my spirit they tell me say you don't do them anything. My spirit they tell me, but no worry, we will just borrow for ya. One will borrow for ya. You see, one will just borrow for ya. You will see what will happen. No one, just relax, no worry. But we just borrow for here first. Then we will hear them. They will see us say, they will just understand say, you don't become bad meat now. A bad meat, you become bad meat. No worry now, we just borrow first. But we borrow.
Zanza! Where could he have gone to?
Maybe he has gone to the shrine. Some people obviously came here before us. Could have been the elders. Or maybe he has gone to see the chief priest.
You're very correct. This is unbelievable. No! But what about the dreams? What about... Oh no.
Ijoma, my daughter. I want to ask you a question. How can I bow down before a little boy I once kicked as a rag?
Papa, I am talking about all the rehearsals I have done, hoping to be the princess of this land, Papa. Papa, I cannot.
This life, I hope to discover that this is not true. It is just a dream.
Yes, no, it's a dream, or it must be a dream.
My daughter. My precious daughter. Hey!
Why are you dancing?
My daughter. My precious daughter. Hey! I have searched for you everywhere. Eh? Now I have seen you. Thank God I have seen you.
Papa, what is it? Why are you dancing?
Don't ask as if you don't know. Eh? Don't ask as if you don't know. Look, fortune has smiled on us. Your choice of Zanza is the best.
Hey!
Hey! Now I will be the father of a queen. Hey!
Papa, this is the same Zanza you despise like a plague.
Forget it. Forget it! That was in the past. Now I know better. Look, I am going to meet Okafor now, so that we can go and fetch him where Nzekwe sent him a while ago. Go home. Just go home. Go and prepare my bed. My own personal bed. Lie on it. When I come back, I will kill a big fowl for you. I am going to kill a big fowl for you. Because you are my precious daughter. I'm coming.
Wadikwego. The word is strong. That was my father. Hey. Wadikwego.
How sudden do people change? Hi! That couldn't have been your father.
Hi! Wadikwego. This word is strong. That is the same man that despised Zanza so much. He could kill Zanza with his bare hands. Oh, there's no problem. Let us go home. We must eat my father's fowl. Let us go. Let us go and wait for him. We must eat his fowl. This is
Oye, mekete ya.
Jimmy, I see this one. This is the original SK. From NSK. Compare your stank. Or some not your okay.
Nah. Jimmy, you don't see what you see?
What do you see?
The sky. You don't pink you.
This sky. This one will be pure yellow. Now you dey say na pink.
Yellow.
Then cleanse your eyes globe, okay? Go to see road, I beg.
I know that. Hi.
Come out cobwebs from your eye, make you see. Don't be yellow with this.
Na yellow. You're right.
You're right. So, sky na yellow you dey be. Okay, sometimes you go change to red, ba?
Hey! Hi. Jimmy. I know they get myself over. Honestly. I know they get myself at all. You see that Mugu? That Mugu, what do they call Zanza?
Mugu one.
That idiot where I they carry my matter they put for his head. Hey. Water don't pass Gary. Now me they tell you, water don't pass Gary. You know say that guy, that Mugu wey no sabi anything. Now the guy now will be the next king for this community. I they tell you from the right source, Mugu one. Hey! One day. If that guy become the next king of this community, what man picking go do now? You know say that this my krukere way, this my ping pong ping chom. Now they take paint my teeth red.
Hey, hey, wow. Hey. Django. Imanoya mekete. Mekete must make out a way.
Abi?
Let us download. By the time we end this SK now, we're looking out a way out. There must be a way out.
I trust you. I trust you. Because I need to commode that guy for way. I need to push him.
That one, my mind.
So you tell me now, say, there will be a way. Because I don't want to make this guy spoil my show for this village.
We will resume something.
Abi?
Look at me.
Hey! I trust you! Listen, if you think of something will make sense and this thing work out. What I can't get in about as nobody. Wow, you are empire! Empire, papa!
Why you?
Jailbreak.
This is doctor's prescription though. How do you mean you don't know where he is? He is our Igwe in waiting. We went to the police station to fetch him when he was taken. We were informed that the lady came and took him on bail. Yes. That is why we are here. Yes.
I do not have anything to do with this release. And I'm repeating myself again. You both came here and want me to stay away from you. Else, I would be sent back to Ike. And that was exactly what I did. You people hate me. You despise me the way you despised my mother until she died. I repeat myself again. I do not have anything to do with his release. Do not push me.
Adeke, wait, it's not like that. Listen, not only that he is our Igwe in waiting, he is also my in-law to be. When we went to the police station and they said, a lady, I said, no, it must be you. Because no other person has that capacity to bear him. Because both of you are close.
Stop it! Leave this place at once. Out! I'll turn you both to a check. Leave! Leave! Leave!
Dragon.
Hey! Wonga. Everywhere they turn over. Everywhere they turn around now. Hey!
See, now so every place go they turn first, Every place go they turn. Everybody go they do like say then they turn around you. Everything go they turn. They hear me. In 2 or 3 days time, Now Igbo will come tell you saying don't accept you. You hear me? Igbo will come tell you saying don't accept you.
What they talk?
Igbo will just accept you. Then you know what you will do? We will come enter your village. Come go blast all those people. Then from there we will come enter rework.
Which work?
They talk like this now. That's me which work. No, so when you smoke, you do like this. See, take. This is my gift to you. Try them bring you come, sir, come see me. From today and from that day, your life don't change. You hear me? You don't get wala. Zam, Zam. Oh, Chite. In fact, I make I call you one guy name. Igwe Zam Zam. As I take this my spiritual eye, they look you. As I blow doshi, they look you, because when I smoke doshi, it give me morale. And they look you, and they see crown for your head. And they see crown for your head. You go be something, you don't know. Igwe Zam. Blow. Obago. Relax. Anytime you cough, do like this. Obago. Do Obago. Obago.
I cannot lose completely. If I fail to become the princess, I can at least become the queen by marrying Zanza. Whatever it will take, I must marry Zanza. I must marry Zanza.
Regained all my customers as the woman shift far from my shade. I'm happy and sell very well now. I come to say thank you, because my people say if you thank the great man for what he has done, he will do more. Thank you very much.
Now you can see that I am not as demonic as people paint me.
I confirmed it too. I confirmed it.
I only trouble those who trouble me.
Yes, sir. And those who trouble me too.
You have done well.
Thank you.
Let me have it.
You have done well. Thank you. Thank you.
Chica, my friend.
Name.
You're indeed a woman of faith. Even in his absence, you're already playing the role of a wife perfectly.
Oh, love. It is love, my friend.
I can't see.
Look, I have been so engrossed in Zanza's affair when he was a subject to mockery in this community. Is it now that the tides are turned that I will change?
No.
So, I would be here cleaning up our house until he returns. And again, messages has been sent to our town union and any other place he could be found. And something tells me that he would be back in no time.
He will be back.
Yes, I believe. So, let me continue cleaning our house.
Chica, my friend. Chica. From ordinary Chica to Lolo.
Say that again.
Hey.
Then say it again. Call that Lolo again. Nico, let me continue.
Let me help you. I cannot be left out.
You know, it's your friend's husband's house. Let us finish it.
Last time I will give you money. Last time I will give you free money with this. This night you must follow us go work. You hear me? I'm ready for pro. Follow us go work. Yourself you will see us. ED. Follow this one. Hold this one.
Oh, Bonga, thank you, Thank you. God go bless you.
No one.
See, no vex, no vex. No be say they talk bad thing about you. I know say they suffer. I know say life not just easy for me. But you see robbery, no vex, so no be say they condemn what you do. But I know fit to am. To take something will not be my own. Come put gun for person. I know fit to am. Honestly, no vex, I beg.
Oh yeah, relax, See, relax. You hear me? Maybe I just go mechanic, go collect, arrange my ride. You hear me? Blow go shop, collect some goods, say my boys them arrange, make a flog. As I flog and we begin the hit on a villa. Brass all those people waiting for a villa. You hear me? On one name. Don't fall my hand, though. You hear me? You see my kitty. You go just the boozer. You go the boozer and orange juice. You go the blow doshi. To format your system. Blow doshi to move you to another. Just update your system. They get sense. They get morale. As far gone now. Follow come now. You ain't gone now. June and July. You don't get wala.
I understand.
Oh boy, wait first. But why no one follow us now? Why no one follow us around things now? You dey fuck my hand. Why no one get morale now? Get morale now.
No vex. I get morale, but no be for this kind of thing they talk. You pass me. They get other things where I pass you for, but you see this one you pass me for. They do a day.
I pass you for thief.
Yeah, no vex.
I pass you for thief.
I no talk say bad.
Yeah, I pass you for thief now.
No be say.
You pass me for brain.
No be ready I talk, Obonga. You no collect this more money we give. Okay, no vex.
No one. Make I just look I do something. They come, yeah.
Thank you for the money.
No one.
The chief priest has sent messages more than 3 times without success. If by the end of today he is not seen, we will have to inform the chief priest that he is lost and that he should consult the gods to see if Ichie Nzekwe can be chosen.
Never.
Huh?
I say never. It cannot be done. He has already been chosen, and so shall it be. He is my in-law to be, and nobody can change it. Not even 2 of you can change it. Do you hear me?
Ichie, what are you even saying? We are talking about the general interest of the community. And you are here asking about your selfish desire.
Selfish interest.
It's okay. We've heard you.
You better hear me. You better hear me.
Greetings, CJ. Our beautiful university students. You're looking good.
You're Chica, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay. I was told you're kind of close to Zanza.
Oh, yes. Very close, yeah.
You know, Zanza and I kind of strike some love. Likeness. Or can I call it love? Anyway, you know, I was the one he has always wanted. But we were waiting for the right time. So, and I was told you know where he is. So please, can you just take me to where he is so that we can sit and talk? Yes. What is wrong with this one? Look at her. Oh, dirty thing. In this village, I have lost another. I will never lose this one. Never. Not for this thing.
Zanza, God, what do you want you to sleep like this? Wake up.
What is it?
Man, as I say, make a go pick up. My car. Now just hear everybody just they talk. They just they talk for their face and they make a garage. Just they surprise. They just they talk. Okay. I can't believe. Now those okay, make a quickly. Put fuel inside my motor. Logo on a villa. As I go to the villa, not like the same thing I hear for everybody mouth. Everybody they talk the same thing, my brother.
Everything they don't talk. Everything they say. Everything they don't hang for my head again.
Fuck you down. They don't pronounce you Igwe. Now you be the next Igwe. Thank God. Now you be the next Igwe. Oh, but Zanza, they say you old boy, eh? Now you chill. That time, you understand? Say, feed for our blood. You chill for our blood. Zanza, you remember the name I they call you? For spiritual, you don't materialize now. Oh boy, the king, I beg. Wait, are you joking? If I did joke, make a bend. Ask me born a day. Ask me born a day. If I did joke, make a job bend. Igwe! Things okay for me now. Things so soft. We don't do okay. Igwe! What? My king! Things don't good now. See this guy, man. Igwe! My king!
Okay. The egg. My words on that day.
You don't say him. You don't say him. Oh, but we don't do okay. We don't do okay. Now walk start. Now walk, don't start. Walk, don't start now. Men at work. You deserve a signboard for night. Men at work. Keep off.
That is it, brother. I will reward you if you help me to achieve that.
Sister, go and relax. Go and sleep. You see that matter? na very small matter. Now your brother be Django. Eh? You know what you go do now? Eh? Go arrange me small and make I go shy you. Can they know that? Come on, Baba.
Small thing like what?
Huh?
Brother, wait. Brother, come.
Tell your father that Igwe Zanza is back. And his life will never ever remain the same.
You don't hear how they talk where they dance like this. You don't hear how they talk. Igwe go.
He's back. What happened?
He's back.
Who is back?
Zanza is back. He came in a pickup with a friend. I was at the market selling when he stopped over. The people carried him shoulder high, jubilating. and then he got into the car and headed to the village. I ran to your house. Your mother said he went to fetch water.
She foretold it, so I have her to thank for it. I may have been dead, or my destiny diverted, if not for the egg she gave to me. I heard Ichin Zekwe was already on his way to the chief priest for anointing, before something struck the chief priest, and he changed and pronounced me. So she said it, and it came to pass.
Zanza, I believe you, my brother. I believe you are mad. So, you mean say all these things where they hear me since? Let me say she be one of us.
The war is not over yet. As a matter of fact, Zanza, the real war is being prepared to eliminate you from all quarters and angles. But that will never happen. Not when I, Adike, is still alive.
Great one. Thank you so much. Thank you. If I may ask, how do I reward you?
It is very simple, Zanza. I want to live in the same house with you. I want us to become one. I am sure you know what that means. But before then, I would give you something to tie to your waist. We are in this together. Wait! I am coming.
She said she will live with me in the same house.
What did they talk? See, me from time I know say you like better thing. See you. see, I tell you. You see with this one, we don't get like this. Come on to there. No poro again. Then as we enter that area, now to brass all the old people in the village. You hear me? With this one I confirm now. You go Zanza.
This one.
What do you know?
That's so far.
Oh, life is sweet too.
This one, my friend. I don't tell you.
Zanza.
So far.
My husband. Okay, enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Oh boy, they enjoy you.
In-law. My only in-law. The great son of his father. Born on the glorious day the sun stood still before midday. I brought this for you. It is pure alcohol, direct from the source.
Mazibe.
In-law.
You're doing this now because of my new status, eh?
No. Not because of that. You know, I've always loved you, even more than my daughter. But just because of the charm Zekwe was using on the whole community to control us, that was working in me. That was what was happening. Okay, to show you how much I love you. Wait. Your legs. You can put your legs on my shoulder. My shoulder should be your legs, leg rest. Put them. Go ahead. Go on. Put them. Them.
Correct.
See, what can stay still? Don't move your head too much, just take it easy.
Come on. Zamzam. We go Zamzam. Come on, you don't want to.
Is that your new name? Igwe Zanza. Oh, don't walk it.
Leave her.
Your head too much.
Daga no. Ano oranku ne jono. Ofo ye na ti una dela. Hey! Igwe Zanza.
Okay, just stay there like that.
Oh, don't walk it. My great in-law. Igwe Zanza.
I find where album supposed to sell with this.
Hey!
Igwe Zamzam.
Ano oranku ne jono.
Chicken that refuses to hear hears in the pot of an old woman's soup pot. A chicken that refuses to hear words will hear it in the pot of an old woman. Zanza. Bolone kan kwa ubore to. Ega hunu tutu. Inwone ifi. Mwone nyashi. Inyiu. Ewo de kwa unimi.
Bad man! Uno jaw! Hey!
What is it? What is it? What did you say? What is it?
Hey! You failed to swear the chief priest because the gods are more powerful than you are. Now you want to kill Zanza. Let me tell you what you don't know. You cannot kill him. Because Adeke is now with him. Listen. You better keep him alive. You better keep him alive. Because your daughter EJ is now interested in becoming his wife. Okay, quick, na gambo.
Nekwan boy. Jamike, so you are talking to your father like that? You have the loins, you have the strength. I mean, you have the audacity to talk to your father, your biological father like that. We shall see. The way I killed others, that's exactly how I'm going to kill you. I don't want to know if you are my son or not. Good for nothing. Nonsense. You. I don't want to worry about Niafu. Bad animal. Okay, when the animal runs away today, tomorrow is hunting day.
So long. What happened?
I shall become Zanza's queen. Zanza shall become my king. I will fight against those who plan evil towards him. Because I have shared my nakedness with him. And I am sure you know what that means. Nobody, I repeat, nobody will stop me or stop us from becoming one. I, Adeke, said so.
I'm actually liking this.
This is the last time I will be warning you. Stay away from Igwe Zanza. I want him and would have him.
Ija, you lie. Yes, you are a dreamer. A big one at that. Now tell me, where were you? Yes, where were you and others running and licking his buttocks now before his present status? Shameless people.
Bravo. Now, listen to me, you little brats. Those who trade in the areas of my interest do get missing. Be one.
Ndala.
Be one.
Ndala! So Ije, this is the reason you called me out at this hour of the night. Me Amadi, I'll bend your neck there. Me twist your neck. Useless girl.
Please, I come in, please. It was my father that sent me. You're aggressive. Sorry, sir.
You just say we don't man this unit. You just say we don't man this unit. You don't mad? Eh? You said they look for waiting.
It was my father that sent me to come and tell you where the Zanza that the others are waiting for the meeting.
Thunder, fire you there. Fire your papa there in the grace. On another one on the humiliator. On another one on the humiliator. Eh? Now make I tell you. In don't go see the chief priest to collect your for your hand. You hear me? And I see they come back. One nonsense man, we go collect the land, we go up to his papa go sell. He go collect that land from that man. Then he go begin to do big things for this town. Eh? That time, now I go really understand what did happen. Then when I come back, and I go know the real Igwe Zanza. They mad. They crazy everywhere. Come on, stand up!
All I tell my father.
And who will I tell him that I saw?
See, I will tell you who I be. Just relax. And they can't tell you small for your ear. They hear me. Relax. Listen. Now me, then they call bonga. Now me be bonga. Now me be the picking way they make your mama sleep before they go sleep. You dey hear me? You dey hear what I tell you? Tell all those elders. Say if anyone miss inside them, the thing when they go see, what I go do them? You hear me? Come on, Puro! Puro fire! Casablanca! Hey! Okay, come on.
Greetings, Adeike. Greetings.
What am I supposed to do with your greetings? Hold it there. I know what you are here for.
You do?
You came to confirm if truly I am relocating to Zanza's house. Well, the truth is yes. I am now married to Zanza. He needs me now more than ever. He needs me more than a day. Needs water. We got married yesterday night by sharing my spiritual womanhood with him. Bury your dreams or die trying. I do not want to see you near Zanza.
Don't you know that the Igwe is here? Can't you feel his presence? Come on, stop your hand! Huh?
We have seen him.
Oh, sis.
We have seen him. You're welcome, Igwe.
I gave an instruction that everyone should wait for me till I return. Why is it just two of you?
They waited, and because the sun was too much, they all left.
They left because of the sun. Can you remember when you people used to lie me down under the same sun? Can you remember? Bonga touched them.
Now the crazy, now they drink now, Now they drink now. Now kill you there.
See the kind of nonsense on the drink. Come on, stop your hand. You wanna kill him? You wanna kill him? You wanna kill him?
Hey, don't kill me. Please. Please, don't kill me.
Amadio, I will strike anybody who tries to call for another meeting without informing me. Field Marshal, Aiwa.
But we have to do the coronation before the new moon. Else calamity will visit us.
Calamity kill you there. Calamity kill you there. Who be calamity? You know that's how be calamity. They call calamity. Now we not be calamity. Eze, Igwe wey see here. Now be the real calamity. They mad. You crazy? Are you mad? Are you crazy? You are calling calamity. Do you know who is here? Do you know who is here? This man here is holding on to the handbag of calamity's mother.
Can me say mama the handbag na here the day you crazy. Oh sir, can me kill you there?
Yes? No sir. No,
you just question.
No sir. No, I mean Your Highness. I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'm sorry. Your Highness, I'm sorry.
You're crazy.
I'm sorry.
The next meeting I will call for will be in the middle of the night by 3 a.m. Let me get there and not see any of you. You will keep
your life of prestige. You will keep your life of prestige. No worry. We will come. A meeting of the elders at midnight. We are finished. We are finished. Hey, hey!
Oh, so it is true. It is true. It is true that you are here.
How dare you, Masibi? I mean, where are your manners? Are you insane? How dare you barge into this place and talk to your queen like that? Now, kneel before me and give me the greetings that I deserve.
What? I, Ibe, to kneel before you. It seems something is wrong with you. It is my daughter he wants to marry, not you. You used your deadly and evil charms to get him, to bring him to this place. And you are telling me to kneel down before you. Who are you that I will kneel down before you?
It is very clear to me that you have lost your senses. Now get out.
For what? Why should I get out?
You do not leave here this moment. I will deal with you. Get out!
I will also deal with you. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Let's walk.
If only they know what is coming their way.
Okay, rise. Submit the money. How much?
24,000, Your Highness.
Huh? 24 what?
24,000 from all 24 people.
From that big market. Why?
Igwe, only 24 people complied with your mandate. They said that most of them said they are not going to pay. Even Alice, that woman that is working with us, complained about the same thing. They said that you have not even been counted the Igwe and you are collecting money. Huh? Honestly, see, if that man Okosisi that used to sell timber, he swore that over his dead body will he pay Bakam Okosisi. Ha! It's only 24 people that complied.
You mean some people in that market said that they do not see me as king? Don't worry. I will show them that I do not need their approval to be crowned king. I do not need their approval to preside over them. All I need is bonga.
You don't yara. You don't yara. But I'll give you soundtrack for Chinese. You, I'm not going to talk too much with you. You did here. You did for there, those people, they talk nonsense. You can't they look them, Abi?
Jimmy, we're going back to that market. When we get there, you collect the money with iron hand. Anyone who refuses to pay, Bonga will shoot the person in the leg. This time around, we're going to collect 2,000 naira from each person.
Better!
Mad people. Get into the car, let's go.
Igwe!
That Eke market is the same place where I was paraded a couple of times like a criminal.
True.
Humiliated. Insulted.
That's what they do you. That market! Now they suffer you like this. That nonsense market, oh, they tell them to pay 2K, they don't feel pay 2K. That nonsense market, to God in heaven, as I reach there, I go
kwashile everybody. Joy, you Igwe Zamzam. Eh? Joy! Casablanca! I don't die. Casablanca!
Yeah. Last year. You see that guy with the call Bonga? Eh? I go match him. I go try and say na me be Django.
I trust you.
Because I know say na the guy. They control Zanza, they tell her what they do.
Exactly.
But after today, Ingo no say na me be Django. As for that woman, what they call she go run today, come on, go again village. Exactly. Get up, pam. By then you go just get your own chance, to won your way. I did vessel. I don't want anybody to tell me I beg or to hold me.
No one. I know what you can do, bro. I trust you. I know you can do anything for me.
Just watch me.
Yeah. I know people will say I am crazy, a university student. But do I look like I care? Anything to make me royal. I am so crazy to become royal. So crazy. Bye, bro.
Ibe, you are foolish. You are very foolish. You betrayed Nzekwe, I and other elders due to your selfish interest. You revealed to him all secrets that he shouldn't know. Now he has died with you by leaving your daughter Chica and choosing a female Dibia that is dreaded to marry.
Adeke is the one controlling him with her charms. We must decree for her to leave this village, go back to her native land. Okay?
You and who? Who are you? Zanza has already gone crazy, and you are instrumental to that because you revealed to him every information. We are in for an unpredictable reign, and even you are not safe.
Big Bashabonga. Oye mekete, emekete ihe mekete.
Oye mekete na. Emekete. Neba.
Big Basha. The Baba will tell you say I go bring. We go the run things so why in case I know day. We don't say that market thing. I need to the day inside that market with those people 2-4. This man go the run things around. You understand? In them na Weber force. Willie, the Weber force.
Come out. You need not be Willie. You need not Willie the wheelbarrow.
Willie the wheelbarrow.
Oh boy. You sure say he heard correct so.
He heard correct. Now my God in the wrong things. As I do, anything what they fit do, Willie go do am. Even times 2. He go run things correct. I don't give him orientation. I don't give him anything.
As I take this my annual borrow, see you, My spirit accept you. We need the wheelbarrow.
Hey!
We need the wheelbarrow.
We need the wheelbarrow. Now my name, aka Trustworthy.
I know.
Hey! I don't enter the government.
Yes, that's true.
That is to say, I'm in the government.
I said that you join the moving train.
Correct.
We need the wheelbarrow.
Free choppings, free SK and everything. See, for you, they hear me. For this place, is a Zanza and my man. They hear me. No get wahala. For this place, every day we dey chop one goat.
I don't tell him. I don't give him orientation.
Every day na one goat.
So I don't belong to the government be that.
Is a Zanza a nice guy.
So I don't belong to Zanza government and be that.
You no get pro. You no get pro.
I think you join the moving train. Make you follow the happen.
I beg, I don't know say that so that take me. See, I beg, if you leave me, make I go, I no go ever return back to this place again. I don't go come.
Come on, shut up! I'll tell you, walk in here and disturb Igwe Zanza. You dey craze? I know dey craze. You know say Igwe Zanza and your wife, the queen, they enjoy inside. You dey craze?
I know the craze. I beg. Make I talk the truth. Now my sister, now he send me come here. My hand no there. You know, say she says she won't become the queen. I don't follow. I don't follow. Not be me.
It be like say, now you go be the first prisoner for this region.
Not be me. Not be me.
Come on, shut up there.
Dancer.
If your sister like you, she like you. You hear me? May she come blame you for ya.
Hey.
May she come blame you for ya. If she like you, may she come blame you for ya. Come like this.
Hey,
I will slap you. Come like this. You're mad. Come on, Nina.
I beg, please. I beg.
You do Chris?
I know the Chris.
I
know the Chris.
Come on, close your eye. Close your eye.
How I go take see you?
I will slap you.
No,
I will wound you.
No, sir, I don't.
Come on, close your eye.
I don't close them.
Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand, close your eye. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Close your eye.
I close my eye. I beg, sorry.
Come on, follow me. Come on, kneel down. Follow me.
Hey!
You don't kneel for concrete before. You don't kneel for concrete before.
I never kneel for.
You go kneel now. Come on, they follow me. Come on, they follow me. I will slap you, the Chris.
Sorry.
The Chris.
Sorry.
You dey mad?
No.
I go like this. Go inside. Go inside. Come. Don't. Come on, go inside. Come on, go inside. You go some. You got you go some. The things what I don't do to Zanza for this village. Everything what I don't do to her for this village. And I go pay her back. And I decrease.
I'm finished, though. I am finished. Don't run. Second, don't hide. I'm alone. Hey! I am finished, though. Hey! Okay. I'm finished.
Why are you running and planning like an inside that fell down from Iroko tree?
Nzekwe, my land, though. My land. He has sold my land. After going to the market and collecting forceful levy from the traders, he went ahead and sold my land. My land.
After selling his own land, the one we collected from him, he went ahead and began to sell other people's land.
Martin Zekwe. Hey! Martin Zekwe, I saw some men led by Jimmy walking around your land. Martin Zekwe, it's happening right now. People want to sell your land, Martin Zekwe.
No. I'm dead.
Martin Zekwe.
I'm dead. My land.
Major Bonga.
say the land.
You say what?
He changed the way.
He changed the way?
Yeah.
You don't get on, I'm not gonna sell the land.
Sell the land on your own.
Joy! Say now your ancestors and I fight for this land. When he don't sell Zanza land before he become king, he don't forget that one. Eh? Joy! Casablanca, I don't die. Eh? Joy! Over, wait, and I go. I prepare myself. No.
Are you serious about what you just said? I am telling you what happened just right now. I hid at the back of their house and I overheard the one they call Bonga. That always carry gun everywhere. I overheard him shouting on top of his voice that they will keep your brother as a prisoner until people pay. I urge you to do something. I can't do Jamaica.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, but this is not what I bargained. No.
Hey, I'm dead. They have sold my land. My only land. The only land I have is gone. Hey! Are you people not saying anything? Are you not sympathizing with me? Hey! I can't see Jay.
Sympathize with you. Just imagine. Serves him right. Hey! It's okay. Hey! Huh? Yes. What do we do now? We can't continue like this. Yeah? Other elders from the other kindreds said it's our problem. That we will have to tame him first before they can come in. Else, they will separate from us.
There can only be one way.
You see?
Yes.
Any way is a way now.
Chica.
Eh? Yes.
That's the only way out.
Exactly.
Let's proceed. Let's do that.
Why are you here?
Zanza, I had always fought for you at your back and had dreamt all my life of becoming your wife, even before you were pronounced the king. And
come on, shut up there! Come on, shut up! Shut up there!
Please.
The grace. That's not the reason you're here. Your stupid brother was insulting the king, Zanza. And he has been locked up. One cow before that boy can feel his freedom. One cow.
Please, I beg you. Please.
Field Marshal Bonga.
Maximum. Zanza. Maximum.
Is anyone in our custody?
It is that useless boy, Zanza. That useless boy called Django. That boy that has been causing you all the humiliation, all the nonsense in this village. And that nonsense boy, and this woman can't begin to beg for. He has been locked up, like I said. You heard me. One cow before that boy feeling freedom. One cow. They're mad.
Please.
One cow.
I'm begging you, please.
Oh, no freedom.
Hey.
And my king on, they call the insult. Down bro over there.
Do you know the pain your brother caused me in this village? Huh? Do you know the suffering your brother brought to me in this village? All the bad things your brother did in this village, I was accused of them. And I suffered. Are you aware?
Forgive, please.
Thank your stars, I'm in a good mood today.
Thank you.
Like Bonga said, one cow, or you pay 50,000 naira for each night he spends here.
Hey, Igwe Zanza, please. I beg you. Igwe Zanza, please forgive. Igwe Zanza, please.
Don't touch me.
Please.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me!
I beg you, please. Igwe, please. Igwe Zanza, please for you. I have come for you. I don't buy Igwe Zanza. Igwe Zanza, please don't do this for me.
Igwe Zanza, I hope say you know they look our ways too. But our ways no go begin to make your mind soft too. I believe you now. Maximum moral for you. Moral! Moral, yo. Na Igwe Zanza get moral, yo. My Igwe, Ichioka and I came to the police station and we met your constable. And he told us you went to somewhere. And we begged of him that he should tell you why we came. And he said, you are coming to see me. You're welcome. I appreciate.
Thank you, Chief.
I appreciate. You're welcome. See, we have gone to the chief priest. The chief priest said, instead of us fighting him, we should rather parley with him because of the wrath of the gods. We also contacted the elders of the other kindred. They said we have to make peace with him before they get themselves involved. Since he failed the meeting at the first time. Officer, this boy is bent on revenge mission. He is not even interested in the time that is wearing off. See, this boy does a lot of things. He went on selling our lands. Our own lands. He does things that are not worthy of a king. That is why we came to the police. So that police can come to our rescue.
Okay, Chief. I've heard you. But my DPO went on 2 weeks course to Abuja. I'll call him on phone and brief him of the situation. Tomorrow, I'll be in your house to brief you more.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi.
Now maybe this. Now maybe this. No be small thing. Me, Django Sensamila. Now these people cage for this place. Why? These people they will get after all the beating, no food, no water, no Igbo. I don't believe say Jimmy go do this kind of thing. Oh, Jimmy my guy. Jimmy we me and Okwakam. Jimmy where they teach me so many bad things. I don't believe say Jimmy go leave me. Go join these people. On top of him, Jimmy go follow them, they torture me. see where it is. Now I believe say the most precious thing for this world na power and more power. Jimmy.
Ijoma, I have heard you. See, the case is already before the police. I won't do anything until I hear from the DPO.
That man called Zanza is heartless.
I know.
And the people around him are wicked. 50,000 naira each day he spends there. It's too much.
Ijoma, just leave me alone. Let me rest. Go and sleep. Go. Zanza. If someone had told me that I would be in this situation, I would not have believed it. How could it be? Nzekwe. It's not true. It can't be true. Hey!
Okafor, I am the one begging now. I am the one begging. Let us go and meet the elders of Oja, Udokolo and Oha. If we fall down before them and cry, together we will find a solution and a headway before the new moon. Bikono.
You better calm down. I agree with you, but calm down. Let us be patient and wait for the police to respond. If their response is not positive, then I will table your suggestion to Nzekwe. But be rest assured, I agree with you.
Oh, it is equal.
Anam. Okay. Good night, eh?
Anam.
Good night.
Zanza! Oh boy, anybody don't believe for this time will buy him. Go be here than now. I'm flexing with my ego. We are flexing. I be tell you now, say good things will come with my spiritual eye. Zanza, are you now? Oh, easy. Igwe for small pikin. Toilet. Oh, you make it take it. Zanza. Asalama for you. Asalama. Zanza. Today, Come on, go down there. Bring that people today, man. Come on, go down.
Are you deaf? Huh? Do you want to die? Huh?
You sent for me?
You reported me to the police, right?
No, it is not as if. But we were just trying to find solution and come on, shut up there.
They go report us to Ike.
No.
How? Waka there. Ike kill you there. You're mad.
Jimmy, lock him up with his son.
Come on. Get out. Get up here. What's way? Come on. Go inside. Hold it. Jesus, Zanza. Assalamu alaikum for you. Assalama. Nothing fit to do you for this town.
Munga. I got for one.
Oh, but if you can go one.
I got for one.
Oh, yeah, chocolate neighbor. Don't lock him. You don't enter. You don't enter. You don't enter. Igwe! Give her Toshiba. Give her Toshiba. Igwe! Give her Toshiba. Igwe! Mazimo.
Bring her daycare here.
Lala.
Come and sit
right.
right.
Igwe! They think about you. Crane. When they come out to load for inside ship, so they think about you. Crane. They don't know if it's going to them.
Officer, it's good that we've seen you here.
Yes.
Please, there is trouble. He arrested and locked up Nzekwe.
He actually invited him for the supposed meeting, only for him to turn around and lock him up. In fact, his son is also there.
Officer, he needs to be arrested and taken into custody.
Yes.
And all the captives released.
Yes.
Ichie, I was actually on my way to inform you people that my boss, the DPO, says that we should wash off our hands in anything that has to do with the pronouncement of the gods. You people are communities. You should handle this the community way. We too, we don't want to incur the wrath of the gods. Please, I beg to leave.
Hey! We are doomed.
Okafor, why are we wasting time here? Let us go there. If they refuse to release Nzekwe, I will break that door with my hand and bring her to Nzekwe. What is all this? Let us go there. Are you afraid? Let us go.
Which hand?
Nzekwe Black Aiga. Again. Let's go. Let us go there.
I have never been humiliated like this in my life.
Oh, Papa, what with this? Huh? I don't think if you want to talk, make you talk something where just no they talk something where they shift person brain. Huh? You know what I don't see since when I enter this place. See what I tell you. I drank my urine as water this morning. If you don't know, make I tell you. Huh? Since when I enter this place, I never taste anything when they call food. We just come here, they make noise for person brain. The one where they even vex me, the one where they make me go mad. They say, all the weed why I don't smoke for my life, all the weed where they my head for years now, all of them don't clear because of the condition why they now. They here they make noise. Papa beg, make I think well. Make I think well.
Hi! Hold me. Locked up by a small boy I kicked as rag. Well, I say we are the man. We don't do. Because what a man can do is always in his mind.
See your corner. See your corner.
Maximum regard. Moral king. Moral you. Moral, na Igwe Zanza, na get moral. Igwe Zanza na our kingo. Na chapel life would they pray for.
Here is the 50,000 naira. You asked me to bring. I have to sell my father's goods. 3 of my father's goods. I sold 3 of my father's goods just to raise this. Please.
Give me the rubbers.
Take it and release my father and my brother.
Down there. We'll cross-check whether it's incomplete.
Yes. So it is 50,000 naira.
Have you greeted me?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
I've changed my mind. Your people will remain here. Go back home, sell more things, bring the 100,000 naira here, and 1 cow. Get out.
But you said we...
Field Marshal Bonga.
Maximum for my Igwe.
Get one song where they sing that time. Sing that.
Moral. Na Igwe Zanza na get moral. Igwe Zanza na our kingo. Na chapel life would they pray for. Nakola no take a lagba play. Our lagba polo will go pie on now. They mad for this village. For you?
I'm sorry now.
I did with you. I'm on this kata. No problem. Wow.
Did you succeed?
No. They took the money from me. Yes. They sent me away with the sound of a gunshot. I want him. I want my father. There is nothing else I can do. I'm even preparing to go back to school. I don't know what to do again. Please, you people are the elders of this kindred. Do whatever you can to free your fellow Ichie. I am only but a woman. I have tried. Please.
Have you seen it?
Please.
Okafor, have you seen it? I told you let us go there and you said no, let's come here first. Now have you seen it? Look, I am a retired coal miner. I will go there now and break that door with my hand. You will see it with your 2 naked eyes. You will see it now. Then I will bring them out and you people will go and prepare for the solution. That is what I will do now. You will see it now.
If that is the case, then let us go.
Yes, let us go. You will see it with your 2 naked eyes. I will do it now. Today, not tomorrow. Let's go. You will see it with your 2 naked eyes. Today, not tomorrow. You will see what will happen now.
Major Bonga. They never know. But they go soon now when they crazy. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. 10. This one am my ZB this. They hear me. I go cut this one, keep for myself. Carry the rest, give Igwe Zanza. I'm my man, oh. I'm my man before the Civil War. Steamer for me.
Where are they? I said where are they? And this son, where are they? I want to see them now. Where are they locked? I want to release them.
Father Mbaka.
I said where are they?
We are waiting there. We are waiting there.
I want to see them now. I want to bring them out.
Father Mbaka.
Where are they locked?
My eyes on. My eyes what? I'm gonna Inzekwe. Na Inzekwa.
Where am I? Where am I? You did grace so well. Where am I? Adore, my wife. Why has the sun suddenly turned dark? Where am I?
Nobody is a queen. Hey,
Hey!
You come here, the rake.
Where is Adore, my wife? Why has the sun suddenly turned dark? Where am I? Where am I? I said, where am I? Che! What happened to me? Hey! I'm done. I'm gone, oh!
I'm not talking here for you. Come, Major. Bring that one. Bring that one. Get up, Major.
I'm not with him. I was coming to pay homage to the king. Please. Please, I'm not with him. I'm not with him. I was coming to pay.
Major. Come on, carry to them. Come on, get away. Get away there. Come on, go lock them. Where
is this place? Where is this place?
Go. Let me show you where you are right in government house. Una dey see wahala. Eh? All these shit people go come here, come begin to rake anyhow. For government house. They don't enter. You don't lock them? Have you locked them up?
I don't let them.
For government house here. Igwe Zamzam. In office. Waka. Under the crease.
Boy, see.
Major Bonga.
You get one woman they call Alice. Wait till Alice, I be with Monica.
Now where they sell tomatoes.
Now where they sell tomatoes. You get one woman they sell goat around her with fowl. Sees everything.
Enough for mere now.
Collect the goat we get bia like this for me. They hear me? For normal chewing.
Major Bonga.
Jimmy. I got the one name.
Wait, though, my daughter, you mean that all we have been hearing is actually true?
Jackie, everything you heard is the truth. This is the truth.
Check! Ichakide. Anoche monte. I have cleared my footwear of the sons of this kindred. The way I came here is the way I'm going.
So we are now alone. Other kindred now avoid us. Igwe Amaze, that I thought would have helped my father, stays mourn. My father and my brother are in captivity. God.
JB has been arrested and locked up at Igwe Zamzam's house.
What happened? What did my father do to Igwe Zamzam?
Oh, when you get there, you will find out. Your brother even went to help, but they chased him
away.
Hey. Come, let's go. Let's go.
So I will use it and I'll arrange myself. This appointment by Igwe Zanza, courtesy of my friendship with Adeke, is the most precious thing that ever happened in my life. As much as I want, and give them whatever I want. Hey! As well as protection and association. Hey! As long as Adeke is concerned, I will eat this paper and lick it over her. Hey! Oh.
Please rise, rise. Rise. I'll release your father just because of you.
Thank you. Yes, Zanza, no be so now. Yeah, maximum regard for my Igwe, no be so now. At least they go drop something now. If not before the boys, if these people don't kill us, they don't kill us. Where they drop something, any idea now?
Bonga, when I was suffering in this village, she was the only person who stood by me. Just her.
I be winch now. Even dirty water self they quench fire. When fire they burn, any kind of water you see, you will take quench the fire. Dirty water self they quench. Any IB, let them drop something before we release our old boy now. Let them drop something.
It's okay, it's okay. Bring one fowl. Huh? Just one fowl. You come and take your father.
Best for my Igwe. Maximum regard. Now you now. Moral Igwe, moral. Your mind, your mind. Now iron mind.
Iman omo wana macha manen maro. Emeche habros onyo nime. Amo hani na boza so ni iru eze ewo. Agbaze mo onye njobo nwanne m. Obo onye ka mu na ya ga yebazi. Evo ụwa tugbuo numo. Ama ndị a na-eze kwelu numero. Agụwa si abịa. Evo ụwa tugbuo numo. Ama ndị a na-eze kwe ya ọzọ. Agụwa si abịa. Evo ụwa tugbuo numo. Ama ndị a na-eze. Ndị n'ụwa macha mma n'ime eze ameche ọbụzụ asọ njọ n'ime ahụ ha niile abụzụ asọ n'ihu eze akwasị abụ onye njọ bụ nwanne m ụlọ onye gakwara anyị gbazi ego ụwa tugbo ma ndị a na-eze kwelụmeo ọgụwa si abịa. Ebu atubuenumo amandia leze aso agowasadia ebu atubuenumo amandia leze. Oh.
A woman, you know you're a great ally of our queen. If you continue to do well like this, once the king, Igwe Zanza and the queen returns, I will tell them so that they will make you the next chairlady of the women traders.
Me? Chairlady? Ha! Oh wow, should I roll myself or should I jump up? What can I do for you? I should do. Thank you very much.
No problem. You have to start going to the market. Once Igwe Zanza and the queen, once they return, I will come and see you in the market.
My regard to them. Tell her that I'm coming.
Me, Genevieve. Hey. Oh.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. I'm Chica's first wife. I saw my husband six pigs. This is the money. I have it here. Use it to buy the cow. I'm begging in the name of, please.
How many pigs did you say?
Six.
And how much is there?
120,000. Please. Please.
See, this is between you and Adeke. Nobody, I repeat, nobody should hear about it.
Yes, I heard you.
You know, once the king, Igwe Zanza return, he will sign some papers. When he signs the papers, then we can release your husband. But make sure you do not tell anybody that you gave me money.
Okay.
For now.
Please. Okay.
See money. Hey! Igwe Zanza government are confirmed government. This government are government of chop and chop. Hey!
Don't worry. Just go look for a fowl and give him. From everything you've told me, I can assure you, he still loves you. Don't give up. Just look for a way and free your father. Zamzam will soon be free from this spell. Okay?
No, don't run. There's nothing to be afraid of. I've been looking for you. Igwe Zanzam sent me to you. He said I should give you this. I should take it to his house. So that your father will be freed. Make sure you don't tell anybody. Nobody must hear about this. Go immediately.
I told you.
I'm very, very happy that I met you. I was actually heading to your house.
All is well.
All is well. My mother said I should give you this 1,000 naira so that you will record her name among the people that have paid. Biko, I know how she warned me about this money. Record it because she said she doesn't want the problem of Igwe Zanza and his Akbobi group that carry gun everywhere they're going. Please. Biko.
It's okay, my dear. Tell her name is there already. Among those that paid, I'm going to remit it to Igwe Zanza.
Oh? Just help me and deliver it, please. I know how she warned me. I hope you remember my mother's name.
Your mother's name?
Elizabeth Okeke.
Elizabeth Okeke.
Please, just help me and do it, please. I don't want to have problems with my mother.
It's okay.
Thank you very, very much.
I'll do that.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, another addition. Oh, Abu Papa, Oyenke Aruyara, Chankemerugo, Garache. Hey, for you.
You don't bring up a beat? Okay. Tie him for there. Tie him for that pole there. And don't forget, I don't tell her I'm not gonna bring plantain to unripe plantain because unripe plantain now they go with fowl.
Hey, no. It's all like that.
Shut up there. Go sign here. Sign there. You see all those people waiting inside, if they don't bring what we ask them to bring, now there they go still there. Even if they bring what we ask them to bring and they go they talk rubbish, nonsense, we bring them come back. As for your papa, make you warn and well. The next time where I hear and they talk nonsense about Igwe Zanza for this village, my own Igwe, this time, when we lock him, he no go come out again. Now then the final. Did they hear me? Nonsense. Wait. I'll go bring alcohol.
Thank you.
I'm not trust you, man. I carry my drink before you kill me. This is me, then. Yes! Eugene, open the gate.
So, Ibe has been released. How did he do it? Ibe is a double-edged sword. Yes. Never ever to be trusted. But I know what I will do to him when we're out of here.
Papa, please. I want to pray so that the spirit will possess him and he will free us.
Jamaica, Papa, if it is the win-win that you are looking for in this place, you can't get it here. You cannot.
Papa, you don't understand. You don't understand what I dey talk. You see, now, Holy Spirit, all things don't pass away, and now everything is new. Papa, Biko, trust me. You people should close your eyes. Let me pray. It will work.
You know what? Okay, don't mind this animal. Maybe the remnant of the way he took days ago is still working in it.
Na one am also. God, you told me directly that things will change. Please come and free us. Come and free us. Free us. Free us. Free us. Do your wonders. Do your wonders. Do your wonders. Amen.
I have confirmed your power as a woman. You surprised me. You made me proud. In fact, I am proud to have you as my daughter. And at the same time, I have learnt my lesson. Never in life will I see an innocent person and will not support him or her. I've learnt my lesson.
Papa, I am glad. I am very glad that you have learnt your lesson. You now know better.
I have learnt my lesson. I have paid dearly for my association with Okaf and Nzekwe. The community is in limbo. We don't know our fate. And as we talk now, they are his captives. Chica, I am going to my maternal home until this thing is over. At least let me go and cool my head. This thing is too much on me. Let me go and cool my head. Let's go. I'm proud of you.
Papa, I'm proud of myself.
Hey!
That is what I'm talking about now. That is exactly what I am talking about. You don't say we don't make enough money now. We've made so much money. And Pepe the rest now. Pepe, if I do the rest again, Pepe the sleep. Pepe the sleep. You know, say now my old pickup now we use the day they rove up and down seas. You could not buy another jeep for our convoy so that when we move, they know say now moral be this one.
then this your old boy Caban, he will crush him. We'll plant bad mansion here. Yeah, forever now. You're Dodorish now. Dodorido. Oh God.
Field Marshal Bonga.
I go buy person for your head. I go keep person. You got the heaven. I go keep person for you.
Bonga, you have a point.
Go ahead.
Even though the offer is in my hand right now, I still need to be crowned officially as king.
They will crown you now. Yeah, now wow. They will crown you.
I need to be crowned officially.
Live.
Huh?
They will crown you.
Once that is done.
I believe you.
Go here.
I believe you.
See this village people. See these people. I got Fuanya.
They go for you.
They're bad. I'll tell you. That community land. You know it's very big. We will sell it. Once I'm crowned, first thing we'll do, we'll sell that land. Use the proceeds to build a befitting mansion here.
Oh wow.
But till then, the money will be cooling off in my account. At least, most important thing, I take very good care of you guys, don't I?
Yeah, you don't get wahala now.
Sure, Your Highness. I swear to God, I never know my life will ever better like this.
Oh, you don't see him now. You don't see him. Thank Jimmy. Make it thank you, Jimmy. As him bring you come, make it come see life here. You are as for you don't die finish. Anyway, talking about coronation. When exactly is it going to take place? Because I heard it is 6 days before the moon would fall out.
Huh?
And they tell you.
The moon will come out in 6 days.
Oh God! That's why they tell you.
Are you serious?
They tell you now. Because they tell you nonsense for ya. That's why they hear for people, man. People just they talk and they hear.
Zanza! You are wasting too much time. If the new moon appears without you on the throne, there will be calamity in the land. And the kingship will be taken away from you. Be warned. Be warned, Zanza. Be warned.
Ibe. 6 days. Just 6 days before the new moon. And the fate of this community hangs in the balance. I went to see the chief priest. He vehemently maintained that nothing can be done unless Zanza Nwokorosite is crowned Igwe. And that the gods are still with him in spite of all the atrocities he has been committing. This is the situation. Has he begun to be a spirit? Ibe, why are you not saying anything? Eh?
Akede, is this why you came to my house by this time of the night? Eh?
What is actually going on in this kindred? I'm confused.
He released us.
because he cared about us, but because the other kindreds refused to crown him king without our involvement.
Okafor, I, Nzekwe, as long as I am concerned, it should be over my dead body. It shall be over my dead body. That I should participate in anything that has to do with that boy.
This, of course, me too. In fact, Nzekwe, what I saw there, what I saw there have changed. In fact,
Mobanshi, Zanza, who is he? Who is he? Zanza!
Hello, Enki. Did you get my test? What? How? I will return as soon as my father is free. I will. Just do whatever you can do for me, please. Don't worry. Okay, what do you want? No problem. I'll get it for you. I promise I'll get it. All right. Bye-bye.
How come nobody told me we have just 5 days before my coronation? Huh? Why didn't you tell me? What are we even saying? Today is almost gone. We have just 4 days. Why didn't you tell me?
Your Highness, no vex. No vex. You know say we dey busy, they run different activities now because I'm no vex.
Go to Ichebe's house. Bring him here right now. Did you hear me? Good. According to the chief priest, I have 3 days to perform some rites before the coronation, and I need to do it to my kindred. So I need Ichebe here. Go. Now. Move.
Subjecting me to this humiliation and for selling all my lands with intimidation after all my plea for us to bury the past. I curse this day. I curse this day. I swear that you Zanza Nwokoro Oshite shall pay for it. You shall pay for all you have done. We have barely 4 days. 4 days to the coronation. You have abused everything that has to do with royalty. You have done that. Let me see. Let me see who will partake in this coronation. Zanza worship. Zanza worship. Zanza worship. Papa, you shall not be well with you. What is it?
The young man is on a revenge mission for what you did to him in the past. I am a party too. We shall all make amends for the interests of the community at large.
No!
Yeah?
Over my dead body! Over my dead body! If all of us should die and get buried, let us all die and get buried. But for me to take part in anything that has to do with that animal, I will never be part of it. I will never be part of it. Cut me out! Die! Worship! You shall never be well with you. You shall die in the morning. You die in the afternoon. You die at night. You cannot no shit. Zanza worship. Zanza worship. If one gonna talk, if one gonna eat, if one gonna yash, hi.
say Ichebe. Back in family travel go in mama side. Say no go come back until this community be peaceful. Yeah.
That's not possible. That is not possible. Yeah, Wokem, I don't trust you. You're not effective. Where is Jimmy? Huh? Where is Jimmy? Get me Jimmy here. Tell Jimmy to go there and find the Chiebe. You should find wherever his maternal home is and get him down here. If he cannot find the Chiebe, you should bring his daughter. I want somebody from that family. I believe if I have his daughter, I'll be able to achieve what I want to achieve. Go. Move. Go!
You have to go now. Tell him everything I just told you. Tell him to quicken up and consult the elders to avoid tragedy. Tell him that the woman he's with does not mean well for him at all. Tell him that the woman is very wicked and mean. Tell him everything I just told you. And tell him that this message is from the person that meant well for him. Do you understand me?
Okay, there is no problem. I know how to do it.
Just go. Just tell him everything. Explain everything to him. There is nothing that will stop me from becoming the queen of this land. I will do whatever it takes for me to be the queen of this land. Well, you cannot see him because he went out with his friends. Now do me a favor. Go back to whosoever that sent you. Tell him or her that whatever situation you came here to report to your friend about has been settled and is under control. So there is no need of you seeing your friend. Get out.
My mind they tell me say they inside. If you allow me make I see him. You get something where I won't tell him. Something will connect Zion.
Get out of this place before I use this to charge you. Get out! Stupid. By the time I am done with you, you will know why I am a take. Escaping this one. Could he have been arrested or something? What is going on?
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? I wash my hands off anything that has to do with you and your kinship. You can go to Udokulu, other kindreds, cut them. I cannot and can no longer be part of you.
I see you're taking advantage of the limited days I have to do this.
That is your business. Zanza, that is your business. You have locked me up before. You can go ahead and kill me, then drag my body to come and join the rites. Igwe Zanza. Igwe Zanza. Not be you again. Wow. You are too soft on this man. Let us tie this man up so that this man can do whatever we want this man to do for us. Yeah. Wow. Not be you again.
We have other options.
You know this what we carry they come here. It just ain't this.
People come up Runego Cable. You can't do anything.
No Allah.
Mad people. You have your gun. I have my head on top of my shoulder. It's only when I look for my hand from my shoulder I can't find it. That is when I will know that you are greater than I am. If you are crazy, I am crazier than you are. Yes! If you come up Runego, you can't do nothing. Nonsense. Nonsense. I don't know Zanza Ineku. Zanza or Zanza Konwanza Ineku. Turboku Eva.
Which kind yawa waiting for this community like this? Eh? Since they bomb me, I never see this community scatter like this before. Eh? Which kind yawa be this? Even this what they call herself Adeke, she know they even help Mata at all. She dey busy, they even talk say if Jimmy no do that thing, we ain't tell him. Say he go kill her. Hey! I be say wahala dey o. Because even me myself wey dey here, that means I know they shove myself. What I go do now? Make I stay. Make I begin this cast.
I am a different person now. I now preach the gospel within the Jehovah. I no longer recognize any government of this world. It's only that of heaven I know of.
Look, Ichie, I'm sorry. From the depth of my heart, I apologize. I am sorry. I know I humiliated you people. I locked you up. I tried to get revenge. I'm really very sorry. Biko, walk with me. Once I'm crowned, I promise you I will wipe the tears away. Biko.
Hey! Igwe Zamzam! Is this you? My own guy? Igwe Zamzam, you want to cry? If you want to cry now, what you want to make me do now? Me, I'm going to shout to the cry now. Joy! Igwe Zamzam, because of this kind people, this kind of shit people. Eh? Eh?
Bonga, just shut up. Shut up, let's handle this.
Okay, you didn't tell me make a shut up now. You didn't tell me make a shut up now. You don't forget when they give you small or a block, make it take hold your side. You don't forget. You don't forget now. Say na me Bunga, your man. Now where they tell shut up today. Eh? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, because of this shit people, this kind of people.
As I was saying, I only believe in the government of heaven, according to the teachings of Ama Jehovah. I don't recognize any other king, ruler, Igwe, or leader of this earth.
Come on, here! You don't know who? This is Igwe Zanza. You don't know this. You don't know Igwe Zanza. You don't correct. You don't know. Don't you know Igwe Zanza? Don't you know Igwe Zanza? Don't you see him? You don't see. I will question you now.
If I die today, I die for the cross. Oha!
Come on for ya.
Bam bam never.
I go best for you, Boku one. You see, you have seen what you have caused now. People like this will be coming to come and stand before us. Let's couple now. Moku the couple, moku come out. Moku the couple now, moku the couple. Okay, no one. You say moku dey with you. You say moku come out for ya. Dey with you.
Are you not offering me even a seat?
Chica, if you are here because of Zanza and whatever that has to do with his kingship, please leave before I begin to insult you now.
Nzekwe, we cannot continue like this. The 3 days ride is supposed to start today. The man, Zanza, he came to us pleading for forgiveness with some wine and goat to beg for forgiveness. There is no more time remaining. Then we cannot do without his kinsmen. We ask them to come so that we combine and do this thing. If not so, this community will be thrown into tragedy if we don't start today and crown him in greatest kind.
Have you finished? Have you finished?
I have finished.
Well done. Pack this son, bloody bastard. And over to you. I don't know you. It's the Zanza. Zanza. Go! Leave!
So I sent Jimmy to kidnap me and kill me. I promised them one thing, I would never leave this land. I will stand by my Zanza. I will never leave this land. I will always be with you, Zanza. I would never leave this land.
Are you sure of what you saw? Oh, I don't like it when people doubt me. I'm telling you and you are still asking me. Okay, let me tell you what happened. I went to the bush to check my trap and I saw her being tied to a tree crying for help. I wanted to go but I was afraid because I knew that the kidnappers must be somewhere waiting for someone to come. I was afraid but I didn't. That is why I came here to look for somebody to assist me so that we can go and help her. I'm telling you now.
Okay, now lead the way. Let's go. Let's go!
Follow me.
Zanza. Ichienzekwe refused. In fact, it is no exaggeration if I say he chased me out of his compound and rained abuses on me. Look at Okafor. Okafor says he is now with the Jehovah's Witness people, that he is no more interested in these customs and tradition we are doing. Ibe has fled the land with his entire family. Nobody knows where he went. Which one will I say? And which one will I leave? Okute of all persons, as strong as he is, Okute is now critically sick and cannot speak. They say it's stroke, I don't know. Now, those 4 men are the Ichies representing your kindred, and without them, nothing can happen. Well, those of my kindred and I, we are ready. Even if it is now, we are ready.
I never knew all this. I never knew.
People were saying that you busied yourself with thoughts of revenge and that you surrounded yourself with people misleading you.
Who be this person again now?
Enough, Bonga.
Who be this one again? Which kind of nonsense be this?
Bonga, I said enough. Henceforth, I forbid you from behaving this way. Leave us.
Oh. You say make a couple.
I said leave us.
Me your man Bonga.
Bonga.
Make Bonga come out.
I simply said leave us. Let us find a solution to this.
Oh,
leave.
You are chasing me away. Me your man Bonga. Where they give you orientation, they give you morale. They give you orientation, they give you morale. I say make a couple. I go couple. Look at the cap. Look at just the cap. Oh one.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay now. I said it's okay. Don't worry about this guy. He can't do anything beyond here. Huh? Look, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I cannot stand the thought of not being crowned king. And I do not have time. What do we do?
That is my plan.
I swear, if you do this, you will be a hero in this land.
For the first time in my life, let me do something great for this community. If I make it, fine. But if I fail, we'll tell our people the story.
Go, my brother. Go! Yes. Let him succeed.
Zanza, as I talk to you now, my head all full. My head all full. Just imagine what thing will make your main man. What thing will make your main man? This! Leave you like that, go. Say me to do again. What happened?
Oh, you people have misled me. All of you. You misled me. Now I'm at the verge of losing this kingship.
No. That one no fear happen. You know if you lose this kingship. As far as this woman wey dey here, Adeke. As far as she dey here, you know fit lose am. As I talk to you now, she dey for backyard. They prepare heavy charm. Heavy charm, the last shot, where she go use hold everybody for this village. Even those who no agree go finally agree.
Can you just shut up? Shut up. If she's preparing any charm, then let her prepare it. Use the charm and let it work. Simple. Okay, shut up. Allow me to think. What was I even doing? Huh? Why was I wasting all this time exerting revenge? Why? I should have just come down here, forgive my people and lead them well. But what did I do? I was busy suffering them, exerting revenge. Now I need the same people I've been punishing. Same people. How do I do it?
Your Highness, just calm down, you understand? Calm down. You get Adeke here. As long as she there here, nothing there. You see this king? You must be this king. Are you now? Not be you again. After you, now you. After you, now still you.
Hey. Did you see the offer? Huh?
I see him, but no be where we think say he's supposed to die. I see him.
So where did you see it?
See him for road. He there for ground. Road where they go shrine.
My offer on the ground. How? Did you pick it?
Bad news there.
What happened?
Serious bad news there. Bonga your man, don't buy. Bonga your main man, don't buy. Jimmy did there. Jimmy talks say before he die. Say confess. Say him and Adeke. They plan to overthrow you. Now they can't thief the offer. What? They go shrine. Now thunder choke him. Now he die. As I talk to you now, Jimmy did there. Jimmy tried to carry the offer, but he no fit. They say make I come call you. Say no, only you fit carry the offer.
Are you sure you are not lying to me?
If I lie,
if you lie to me, I will kill you.
If I lie, may thunder choke me.
Let's go. Lead the way.
It's happening.
What is happening?
It is happening. They've started killing. The gods are already killing. That one that works with Igwe Zamzam has been killed.
Pam neba, anye bundi ama Jehovah. Pam neba, anye bundi ama Jehovah. Anye bundi ama Jehovah.
I asked you to go get the offer, knowing fully well that you would die in the process. As for you, Zanza, you will never know my aim. By the time I am through with you, then you will know my ultimate aim.
Papa, my daughter.
What is it?
I felt a strange force leaving me. I suddenly remember that I owe this community a big duty. See, I feel like this force that is telling me to frustrate Zanza is no more.
Papa?
Yes.
Hey, Papa, it worked!
What worked?
The plan Django carried out. Papa, let's go to Zanza's house. I'll be the queen finally.
The queen?
Papa, come, let's go.
Wait, let me go and change. Let me change my clothes.
No, Papa, come,
let's
go.
Let me change. I cannot go there like this.
Papa, let's go.
I'm coming.
No, let's go.
Come.
Oh,
let me change.
Papa, please.
Let me change my clothes. Oh.
I'm so happy. Thank you. Papa, please do fast. Let's go. I can't wait. Hey, I'll be the queen finally. Papa, come out now. Please be fast.
I suddenly felt that a strange force left me. And I heard a voice urging me to rush to this place.
Django urinated on Adeka's charm.
Yes.
And it destroyed everything. She slumped, and before she died, she confessed. She said a lot. She has been holding this community to ransom for a very long time. She said everything before she passed away. My orders, Bikon. I'm so sorry for everything I did to you. I was misled. You know, I don't know what was controlling me. You know, my heart was filled with so much hate, and you know, I just wanted to get revenge. But I know better right now. I was so crazy. I did a lot of crazy things. Forgive me. Bikon, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You're welcome.
No,
you're welcome.
In that case, I am ready for the coronation.
Hey.
Yes.
You are ready?
Yes, I am.
May the gods of our land be praised. May the gods of our land be praised. Revenge is dreadful. Imagine the kind of tragedy that would have befallen our community, all because of revenge. Why?
Yes, I sent him to destroy it. I am the one who sent him to destroy it. You know? And now you have seen the kind of queen I'll be for you.
We are here. Yes, I'm here. Yes. Yes, I'm here. Okafu. Akede. I'm here. Hey! Mazinze. Come.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Welcome.
I truly appreciate it. And like you said, a queen will be chosen today.
Queen will be chosen today.
Chica. Chica. My people, this is my new queen.
You go down. Make you see our king, the one way they gods to choose you. No appeal, no complaint. Whether you like it or not, I in the rain. Oh yeah, they could not get it up. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam, bow down before him. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. This world they turn around. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. Nobody know tomorrow. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. Make you see our king, you, the one way they gods to choose you. No appeal, no complaint. Whether you like it or not, na in the rain. Oh yeah, make una get it up. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam, bow down before him. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. This world they turn around. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. Nobody know tomorrow. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam. Make you see our king, you, the one way they gods to choose you. No appeal, no complaint. Whether you like it or not, na in the rain. Oh yeah, make una get it up. Igwe Zamzam, Igwe Zamzam, bow down